No, I could see you.
Okay. Okay, guys, how we doing today? Another day with the virus. Kids studying at home. Everybody's eating. So today, I'm gonna make a couple of things for you, okay? And we're still under $10. Still under $10, okay? We're gonna make a couple of salads, and then I'm gonna show you how to make this potato salad with some red bliss potatoes. Some of my ingredients that you have in your cabinets already. And we're gonna make potato salad out of this. We're gonna braise a little bit of cabbage. Okay, got a little bacon back there rendering right now. So, ready? Let's go. Okay, first of all, let's get this one out the way. My red onions, okay? Okay, we're gonna get this out the way. Put them in a bowl. Okay? Come here. Little cilantro. Okay? Come back here. Turn this off. Okay, guys. Come over here. This is gonna go. Well, did I take my bowl over there? No, here it is. See? Right in here. Okay? We cut into this avocado, see what it's all about. Okay, guys? Look at this. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Woof! Look at that avocado. That is looking very good. Okay? Turn around. Give it a couple of cuts like this. Come across. Don't go all the way through. Come back. Spoon. Cup it from here. It'll all come out cube. Okay, guys? Look at this. Okay? And you're ready for your avocado salad. Okay, guys? Turn around. Little extra virgin olive oil. Just a little, not too much. A little bit of white vinegar. A little bit also. Okay. Your salt. Less than a teaspoon, okay, guys? And a little bit of black pepper. Okay, we're gonna let this rest on the side. Okay? Look at that. Okay, guys? We're gonna let that rest right here. Okay, now, come to this white onion. Julianne, this is gonna go with the steaks, okay, guys? They call it bitén cebollado, steak and onions. And we're gonna use some cube steaks that I have seasoned already, okay, guys? I'm gonna come right over here. Drop it right into my frying pan. See how that sizzling there? Okay. A little bit of, how about that I have here with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Just to give it a little color. See that? Okay, we're gonna let this cook down some now. Okay? We're gonna let this cook down some. Now we're coming to our potato salad. Okay? For the potato salad, let's go to the cabbage. Because we're going to braise this cabbage off and a little bit of that bacon bits that I have, the bacon rendering in the back. Sharp knife. Remember guys, sharp knife. Look at that. Okay? Sharp knife. Cut down. Try to cut as uniform as possible, okay guys? This also is going to the bacon now. All that's going right into the bacon. Okay? Bring up that flame just a little bit. Now, as that rendering down some, we're gonna go to our potato salad. A little bit of Hellmann's mayonnaise. Always Hellmann's, I believe in it. Okay? A little bit of Hellmann's. If you need a little bit more, we'll just put a little bit more. But for right now, let's do that, okay? A little mustard. This is my trick, okay? This is my trick here. Okay, a little bit of relish. And if you're looking, this is all your ingredients that you need for that, okay guys? And of course, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. And if you need, give it a toss. And if you need to give this a little bit more mayonnaise, no problem. Just give it a little bit more mayonnaise, okay? I don't like it too much mayonnaise. I like the potatoes that have some texture like this. See? But you can always add. If you're at home and you want to add some more mayonnaise to it, you're more than happy to. Okay, guys? But just follow the same ingredients. And this is Pedro's potato salad I've been doing for many years. Okay, guys? Put that on the side there. I'm going right back here to my cabbage. See? Get that bacon from underneath there, come on up. See that? Look at that. Oh, this is going to be excellent. This is going to be excellent, guys. Oh, yeah. Feel like I'm dancing over here because look, I got to dance from this frying pan, bam, to this one. Look at those onions coming around. See that? Looking very good. Oh yeah. Okay? And when we come back, I'm going to put the steaks on and we're going to put this all together. Okay, guys? How about that? Okay, guys? Here we are with the cube steaks. I'm going to make sure to sear on them also. Okay? Those cube steaks, they pound out the steak. They put it to a meat tenderizer. So you could hammer them right away. Okay, guys? You got to cook them fast. The same pan that we put our onions in. See that? See, I got my cabbage. The bacon bits in there. Look at that. Nice piece of bacon in there. Look at that. Nice pieces of bacon, and that oil, and that salt, and that. How about that? Now we got our steaks working. Okay. Okay, guys. Look at that. Let that heat a little bit. Okay. And here on the side, I have our onions that we just finished cooking. That's gonna go with our steak, okay? That cooked down a little bit. Okay, guys? And come right over here. Potato salad. Look at that, guys. Red Bliss potatoes with the skin on. Okay? Just a little bit more there. Okay? Come here. A little bit of this. Ooh la la. Look at that. With all that nice pieces of bacon in there. Ooh. Now, you know, guys, it's very simple. I'm sure you have bacon in the house. Very simple to put this together. And here, also, I made a little house salad. Little Roman tomatoes, little balsamic vinegar, little baby greens mixed with a little iceberg lettuce. Okay? Now look at that. Now we're going to take our onions. Woo. Now take a look at that. Bistec encebollado. Okay? And the cube steaks, you can smother this with gravy also. I like the steak, the southern fried steak. You can make it right out of this same steak here, okay, guys? Just got a little breadcrumbs to it. You deep fry it. Put a little bit of that gravy. Now these are just about ready. Let's go. Now take a look at that, guys. See, when I tell you, look at that steak there in the middle. Look at that steak. That is well. That is well. That's good to go. If you cook them any more than that, they get too rubbery, guys. Okay? Okay, guys? Come over here. Give me a napkin. Come down. Wipe this off for you guys. Okay? Last but not least, how could we forget this? How could we forget a little nice avocado salad like this Nice fresh avocado. Nice fresh plum tomato on there. Look at that. Now, how could you not enjoy that? Okay? We put this together with less than $10, guys. Okay? Cube steaks I had left over from yesterday. Put them on the plate today. A little bit of potato salad, very simple to make. A little bit of course, avocado salad, because I have avocados out there in my trees. So we cheat there also. And a little bit of sweated cabbage. 69 cents a pound is about a 2-pound head. Okay, a little bit of bacon, render it down. Toss your cabbage in there. Okay? Thank you guys for watching me. And getting ready for the Jewish holidays. I'll be at Bagel Emporium. Okay, doing the Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur, turkeys, roasted chicken, a lot of brisket, and all types of kugus. Peach kugu, of course, I'm known for, okay? So see you there. Thank you so much for following me. How about that?